Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add drop shadow to text in Instagram story. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Instagram account and then go to your home page. Click on the your story option and here you just simply select camera and then click on create. And here you just simply select a background if you want to change it in the bottom right corner of your screen. And here you just simply tap to type and type something, and then you just simply back and then click again and again type something. You just paste it simple and then you just select this color to black and then choose the right text to the below text, and I want to change this font style as well, and simply select the color to white. I'm going to change this color to white and then go and paste this, and you see that a drop down shadow will appear. So I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.